my linen closet organizational video. I am so excited to be finally doing this video. It has been a while I've been planning this, but I had been on a search for the perfect organizational bins to use in this closet, and I finally found them. I originally wanted the ones from Hobby Lobby, but they're seasonal and I completely missed out when they were out in spring. So I did pick up some from my local Target, which will work perfect. So this closet has a lot of stuff in it. It's got towels and linens and shower curtains and tablecloths and random baby blankets that we just don't need anymore. I'm excited to get through it, get some purging and decluttering underway. I don't know about you, but a clean closet or clean anything just makes me so happy and stress-free, and it just clears the mind. So if you love cleaning or you need a little inspiration in that department, I encourage you to please subscribe and hit the bell to get post notifications. It's completely free and it will notify you every time I post a new video. Thank you guys, and do not forget to subscribe. All right, guys, this is the complete disaster that I am working with today. There is so many random baby blankets, sheets, and I'm not even sure if they all match. There's an arrow bed underneath and then also an emergency ladder, which is an absolute must if you have a two-story. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and technically 6 shelves here. There's also a lot of space on the left and the right of the shelves. Lots of extra storage space that I do plan on using for some of my bulky comforters and such. But I'm so excited to get this project underway. It is a long time coming. First things first, I have got to completely clear out this entire closet, shelf by shelf. It's so funny because I was laughing to myself at all of the random things I found in here. Not only are there tons of random linens, blankets, pillows, and such, but there's also like random items, things that we have like confiscated from our kids and things that we don't want our kids to touch, extra light bulbs, tools, so many things. It's quite embarrassing. So I felt really good about tackling this task today because I'm finally going to be getting everything nice and organized. Among all the random items that I have discovered in this hideous closet, I wanted to talk to you guys real quick about safety. We live in a 2-story and we have an emergency ladder that I purchased off Amazon. It is an absolutely must. It is a safety hazard not to have it. So if you guys do not have one, especially if you have kids, please get one. Just keep your family safe. It's listed in my Amazon shop. The spray that I'm going to be using to clean the shelves is from Mrs. Meyer's. It's the honeysuckle scent. I absolutely love it. And here are the cloths. The brand name is Buff. These cleaning cloths are amazing. They really cling better than any other cloth I have ever had. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting cleaned up. I remember thinking, please don't break this. Please don't break this. Right in the middle of this cleaning video when I'm on this mission to get it organized. I was so worried that I was going to break the last shelf. But moving along, we are almost done cleaning these shelves using this, again, amazing cloth. If you need some cleaning cloths, I went ahead and made it easy for you guys and listed it below in the description box so you are not running around trying to find the exact cloth that I have. But I love them so much. It makes cleaning so much easier and a little bit more fun. So I'm going to use my amazing vacuum and get in there and get the carpet clean on the bottom shelf before I go on and start organizing everything and getting it ready to put into the bins. All right, so the next task that I need to execute is to start purging. I have way too much. As you can see, the closet was completely filled. It's ridiculous. It's not acceptable. Even though we do have 7 people in the family, we really don't need any more than maybe 1 extra sheet set per kids and maybe a couple for my husband and I, because we do change it out every week. And kind of like with the seasons, we have some silky ones for the summer, some regular ones, and then we also have some flannel. So I can kind of get away with having a little bit extra for my husband and I. But with the kids' beds, they really don't need much since their bedding kind of matches the theme of their room. And we're going to be switching things up a lot in the next couple months. All of my kids are getting complete room makeovers. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. If you guys came here to get some cleaning inspiration, obviously you have got some work to do. So go ahead and prop me up, turn up the volume, and get to cleaning with me. I find it so much easier to get tasks done when I can follow along with someone else cleaning.
Find time, just want the mood to be right. Keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light. It's blurring out my eyes. Oh, we should open up our window. Oh, I can't see clear. Oh, yes, I know how to window. Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. I'm good, giving her compliments. I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah, yeah. Fake one, staying until the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight. Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. I will never get it right. I still have you on my side, staying night after night. Cause you're mine. Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits.
Man, this is a lot of work. By this time, I was starting to realize, what did I get myself into? Literally, I should have set out an entire day to accomplish this task. But I have already gotten started, so I must continue. The show must go on. But I remember thinking how much my arms were burning from constantly folding all those like heavy rugs and large comforters. I was just over it. Thank goodness at this point in the video, I am almost done folding and I can start getting to the good part, the fun part of actually organizing them into each of the bins, getting the bins into the closet, and then actually putting labels on each of the bins, which is my favorite part because it just completes the look of putting a label, everything in its place, and then it's done after that and I can move on with the rest of the day. I am so happy to be almost there. So right now I'm just kind of stacking things by category, all of my duvets and all of my sheets by size into stacks, so that when I grab the bins, it makes it super easy just to grab my stack and put it into the coordinating bin. While going through all these linens, I found a ton of baby sheets, baby blankets, and protectors for cribs. So I'm going to go ahead and pass them on to my friend Tiffany, who also has a YouTube channel. If you guys are not subscribed to her, please do. She is an amazing mama and gives so many amazing tips on pregnancy and breastfeeding and anything motherhood related. Here are the bins that I'm going to be using to organize. I got them all at Target. I did get some bright colors because I just really want to open it and feel good about it and have it be nice and sleek and bright. So I got 3 different colors. The smaller bins, which I plan on putting like toilet paper and such in, are this really pretty like aqua color. I did get I got 6 of these white bins, which are a perfect size. They're deep and long, and they just fit perfectly, and they have a little handle on it. I'm going to put the label here. These are for all the sheets and maybe some like small blankets and such, and towels. Then I got some pink ones, which I want to do for like my girls' sheets, like twin sheets for my girls' room. I do have 4 girls, so I thought it would be nice to kind of add a little pink to it, and I love the combination of the white, aqua, and pink.
Do you know what love means? This is insane. You're saying things I can't explain. I know where your heart is, where you wanna be. So why do you keep testing me? It just isn't worth my time to try to make you believe me when you don't believe me. This is where I draw the line and pretend that I'm leaving. This is me leaving. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. Hey. I'm taking my toothbrush. How does that feel? Tell me how this can't be real. You're talking in riddles. Just let it go and trust me if you love me so. It just isn't worth my time to try to make you believe me when you don't believe me. This is where I draw the...
Yes, I have got all of my bins loaded up. I have got towels and curtains and sheets and extra blankets and everything coordinated into its own bin. I've got some extra comforters here that I'm going to be using the vacuum sealed bags for, and all the stuff in that pile is going to be donations. So let's get started. I'm going to put all of them back kind of how I think they should go. I may switch things around a little bit, but I thought I would start with the sheets higher since they are pretty thin and lightweight, and then I will put more of the heavy blankets and comforters on the side. I will put some extra blankets on the left and the right since there is kind of like a little cubby space in between. I do plan on getting more of the not freezer, what are they called? The vacuum seal bags, so that I can shrink some of those extra large blankets to put underneath. I found these on Amazon. They're amazing. I will go ahead and put a link in the description below. They are amazing, and it really helps me so I don't have to donate or get rid of everything. I can kind of keep some of these things and I don't feel so guilty in case I need them later on. So I'm going to go ahead and put that emergency ladder I was telling you about. Seriously, guys, if you don't have it, it's a safety hazard. You need to get one. There is a link down below where you can purchase it. Do not be caught without one. So that goes at the very bottom on the right. Then I've got my arrow bed at the bottom on the left. I found this, what do you know, empty basket, which I'm going to attempt to put some toilet paper, but I think I switched this up. Yes, I did. I don't know about you, but I never want to be caught without toilet paper, so I always have lots of extras on hand. So it's looking pretty good in here. Go ahead and put the top bins on. I think I'm going to put extra body wash, toothpaste, and toothbrushes in that extra empty box up there. Now all I need to do is get to a vacuum sealing my larger items, put some cute labels on, close the door, and call it a day. These are absolutely perfect for this project. I found them at the dollar stop at Target. They're $1. There's 4 of them. They're super cute and they're dry erase board. So I can erase and rewrite at any time in case the contents of the bins changes. Thank you guys, and do not forget to subscribe.